Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark with Davinci Resolve. So I'm using Davinci Resolve 19. This is the public beta, not a full version. So all you have to do now, you can for practice, you can try to create new project. So here we go. You can upload the video that you want to edit by click file, then click import, click media, choose the video that you want to edit. Here we go. So you can click edit, then move to the color. So here we go. The first step, you can click this tools icon, then try to find curve or with the pen icon, and you have to search the watermark or text that you want to block or remove. So with this curve icon, you can create or block the watermark, for example from this location. And after you create or block the watermark with curve, you can click tracker, this one, this is the tracker window, and click track forward and wait the process. So here, the next step, all you have to do, just click the library, then try to find the object remove. Just type remove and try to find object removal, then drag this effect to your overlay, then click scene analysis, analyze background scene. Again, you have to wait the process. So this is one. So there is a you can turn off this curve feature. So as you can see, there is a gray block here. In order to make it clear, back to object removal, scroll down and click a build clean plate. Now as you can see, the watermark or the text is removed, and also the gray block also remove. Then create a clean picture here or clean video here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.